Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, ngayong umaga ating tunghayan ang naging journey ng isang musical artist mula Davao City na ngayon, isa na rin siyang entrepreneur matapos makagawa ng custom in-ears monitor na pwedeng-pwede nating gamitin. Ating makakasama ang singer-songwriter turned music entrepreneur na si Aries Sales. Hello Aries, good morning and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV na makikita sa buong Mindanao. Kumusta ka?
Good morning mga kapuso. Good morning.
Alright, Aries, kwento mo naman sa amin kung paano ka ba nagsimula bilang isang manunulat at bilang isang singer. Paano ba ito nagsimula at sino o ano ang nag-impluwensya sa'yo na tahakin ang buhay na ito?
Playing for a church and then nag-solo acoustic performers sa mga hotels, mga bars and mga weddings, mga events. Doon nagsimula. Tapos eventually from covers, I started writing my songs. I started writing songs for other artists, mainstream artists. And ayun, doon nag-start yung pagiging man behind songs and
Along the way ba sa iyong music career, Aries, ano-ano ba ang mga pagsubok na iyong nadaanan at paano mo ito nalampasan? Sa tingin mo, nakatulong ba ito na mahubog kung sino ka man ngayon?
Ang mga pagsubok siguro sa pagiging musician or singer-songwriter is yung, for me personally lang, probably not with others, yung na-burn out ako for a time. Hindi ko alam kung paano bumalik sa pagsulat kasi parang napagod ako or what. Kasi for a short span of time before ako nag-mainstream, parang hindi ko alam kung ano ba talaga yung genre ko. So sabi ko, ano kaya ito? Is this what I want to do? Parang gano'n. I had doubts. But I met this guy named Marvin Querido. Now may ninong sa kasal. Isa siya sa mga mentors ko at talagang pinush niya ako to overcome that doubt sa sarili ko.
From musician, now isa ka na ring music entrepreneur. Paano ba ito nagsimula, Aries? Lalo na ang pagbuo mo ng customized in-ears monitor na unang-una dito sa ating bansa. Ano ang inspiration behind it?
I started, syempre, bilang musician, alam ko I know what sounded good, I know what is pleasing to the ears, and I know what musicians and instrumentalists look for when they're on stage kasi I know how it feels. I know probably what lacks or the frequency range that we need on stage. So that's a great advantage for me when I shifted to business kasi I know what musicians like me demands on stage. Kasi the better you hear, the better you perform. Am I right?
Siyempre, customize. Ano-ano ba, Aries, ang mga features na maaaring ibigay nito sa isang user? At may iba't ibang disenyo rin ba ang iyong produkto?
Talagang customize siya. Fit siya sa ears mo kasi susukatan ka. We squirt silicone glue in your ear to get the ear anatomy or to get the exact replica of your ears. And then, from then on, we 3D print and we put on miniature speakers which are hearing aid transducers. Hindi siya normal earphones kasi that uses dynamic speakers. Medyo technical, pero yung balance armature speakers are very tiny. They're as small as a grain of rice. That's why we can put 2 speakers up to 16 speakers per ear. So ganun yung technology na ginagawa namin. Multi-balance armature drivers, which helps musicians and audiophiles to hear crisp and detailed music. Kasi we wanted them to perform on stage and not worry about the feedback as if they're in the studio and hear themselves better. And of course, protect their ears at the same time kasi the drums and the bass amplifiers are behind you, so it will protect your hearing at the same time. And ears are investment for musicians.
Aries, kumusta rin ba ang naging feedback no, ng mga artists o ng mga taong nakabili o nakagamit ng iyong naimbentong produkto? Sa tingin mo, paano ito nakakontribute sa paglago ng ating music industry dito sa bansa?
We were able to help them perform better. They needed an in-ear monitor that makes them sing with less effort kasi they hear themselves better. So the better they perform as well at the same time. It's really an investment for them, just like instruments like guitars or microphones, they invest on it. So musicians invest on in-ear monitors because they know that it will make them perform.
Alright, Aries, from singer-songwriter, ngayon music entrepreneur ka na rin. Kaya masasabi nating malayo-layo na rin ang iyong narating. Kaya may mensahe ka ba o tips ka bang maibibigay sa ating mga kapuso viewers, lalo na iyong mga kapwa-artists na nanonood ngayon?
Alright. Para sa mga musiko at mga artists, not only musicians but painters.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.